Let's make the Rum Alexander from the Standard Cocktail Guide. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Rum Alexander recipe from the Standard Cocktail Guide by Crosby Gaige. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this recipe. The Standard Cocktail Guide was published in 1944 and was written by Crosby Gaige. As you can see, it's a tiny little book. There's no fluff in here. But because I'm a home bartender and I'm not trained in the fine arts of bartending, I thought it'd be good for me to go through one of these classic cocktail books and make every rum cocktail in the book. And that's what I'm going to do. And this Rum Alexander recipe is one of those cocktails. Note that I do have a playlist of other Rum Alexanders that I've done here on the channel. Link to that playlist will be down below and at the end of the video if you want to check those out and compare them all. A note on the rum. Crosby Gaige does specify a Jamaican rum or a New England rum. I have Appleton Estate. It's a Jamaican rum, so that's what we'll be using tonight. But feel free to use Jamaican rum of your choice or a New England rum of your choice. And if you find one that works really well in this cocktail, let me know in the comments down below. Crosby Gaige does not have a lot of extra verbiage in his book. He does offer some suggestions, and by suggestions he says how to make a good cocktail. Number one, do not deviate from the recipe unless you're a top-tier bartender. I'm not a top-tier bartender, so I'm not going to deviate from the recipe, especially since I'm trying to showcase his recipes. And number two, you need to put the ingredients in the order that they're listed in the book. And so that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. There's only 3 ingredients. Hopefully I can get those right. A note on the cream. This recipe does call for sweet cream. I could not find any sweet cream in any of the grocery stores around here, and when I looked it up online, I couldn't even order it through Amazon. So, what is sweet cream? Well, I did look that up online, and it is very similar to whipping cream. It's just that whipping cream has less fat in it. So that's what I'm going to be using, is whipping cream. Note that because it has less fat, you may think of this one as a skinny Rum Alexander if you so desire. To make this drink, we're going to add the ingredients into our shaker in the order that Crosby Gaige does specify. So I'm going to start with 1 jigger of your rum. 1 jigger is equal to 1.5 ounces, which is equal to 45 milliliters. One pony of cream of cacao. 1 pony is 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. And finally, your sweet cream, or in our case, whipping cream. 1 pony or 1 ounce of your cream. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Now, Crosby Gaige does say to shake this with cracked ice. I don't have an ice cracker. I do have an ice crusher, so I'm going to use this to crush some ice real quick. I'll be right back with you. Note, in order to crack the ice instead of crush it, I did not crush it as much as I normally do. I hit it a couple of times. I didn't make it cry. Adding that to my shaker in case you can't tell what I'm doing. Give it a shake. Now, it does not specify the glass. I'm going to add this into my Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can use a glass that you choose. This is about 3.5 ounces of material. Or liquid. Yeah, it is material. Liquid is material. And I'm going to double strain that into my glass. For some reason, I think I'm doing this backwards. Am I using the wrong hand? I don't know. It feels strange. The book does not specify garnish, so this may be it. This may be our Rum Alexander from the Standard Cocktail Guide by Crosby Gaige. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite Rum Alexander recipe? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if you give me the recipe, and if you give it to me, I may make it here on the channel. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. Or at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.